Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the font size on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. The first step is to open any browser you have on your PC. The second step is to open AOL Mail. The third step is to log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you can see the setting option or the gear icon on the top right hand side. Tap on it and you can see the enable large text size. So it will increase the text size for readability. If you don't want it, just go ahead and disable it, and as you can see that the font size has been changed to small. Now to turn it back or to increase the text size, which will obviously help it for your readability, you can just go ahead and click on the settings option over here. Scroll a bit down and find the enable large text size. It will increase the text size for your readability and compatibility with the AOL Mail. So if you want this, go ahead and enable large size text, and you can see that all of the emails, all of the interface and everything will be turned into large size. This way it will help you to read the messages or the email quite easily. I hope this video about how you can increase the size of the AOL Mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.